BPH or benign prostatic hyperplasia is a very common problem nowadays. Roughly 50% of men over the age of 50 have an enlarged prostate, and by the age of 80, nearly 90% of men will live with BPH or enlarged prostate. So, is there any natural way to prevent this? Well, the answer is yes. Here are some foods to reduce the symptoms and chances of having BPH. They even reduce the risk of having prostate cancer. So the first in the list is zinc-containing foods. Zinc is very essential mineral for prostate health. According to Indian Journal of Urology, men with either BPH or prostate cancer have lower levels of zinc in their bodies. Now the question is, why foods and why not zinc supplements? Zinc supplements is also helpful, but zinc that comes from food is easier to absorb than zinc supplements. Add high zinc containing foods in your diet like sesame seeds, almonds, azuki beans, and pumpkin seeds. Next, you can include lycopene containing fruits. According to National Cancer Institute, lycopene may lower the risk of developing prostate cancer and BPH. Studies also show that lycopene lower the prostate-specific antigen connected to prostate inflammation, BPH, and prostate cancer. Lycopene is basically a red organic pigment with antioxidant property. It is commonly found in tomatoes, watermelon, apricots, pink grapefruit, and papaya. So try to include these foods in your diet. Next important food is vitamin C containing vegetables. According to the Mayo Clinic, vitamin C found in vegetables may play a role in fighting BPH. Bell peppers contain a lot of vitamin C. 1 cup of raw bell peppers contains nearly 200% of your daily required intake of vitamin C. Other vegetables rich in vitamin C that you may include in your diet are broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and Brussels sprouts. You can also try vitamin C rich fruits like orange, lemons, and grapefruits. Avocados are rich in beta-sitosterol, a plant sterol thought to reduce symptoms associated with BPH. Some men taking beta-sitosterol supplements say they have better urinary flow and less residual urine volume. Beta-sitosterol reduces prostate inflammation and improves urine flow in BPH. Other than avocados, good sources of beta-sitosterol are almonds, canola oil and vegetable oil, nuts, especially pistachio, lentils, and dark chocolate. Next, you can also include Brazil nuts. It contains high level of selenium, which is associated with reduced risk of prostate cancer. Another interesting dietary supplements are garlic and onions. Studies show that increased consumption of garlic and onions is associated with reduced risk of BPH. You can also include omega-3 fatty acids, cruciferous vegetables, including broccoli, bok choy, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. Vitamin D supplements are also helpful as it is associated with reduced risk of BPH. Alright, that's all for today. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.